Hello and welcome to my business plan presentation for HTEM 460 Capstone. My name is Caitlin Schultz and let's get right into it. Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Caitlin Schultz and I am the CEO of Koordinate. With me today are my COO, Gail Dieter Schultz, CMO, Jocelyn Biondo. Before we dive into the details, I'd like to express our gratitude for your time and interest in Koordinate. Our mission at Koordinate is simple yet ambitious to revolutionize the event management industry by providing innovative solutions that empower organizers and enhance the attendee experience. Today's presentation aims to focus Koordinate's capabilities, market potential, and growth opportunities to potential investors, partners, and stakeholders. Let's start by addressing the challenges faced by event organizers. Traditional event planning processes are fragmented, time-consuming, and prone to errors. Coordinating multiple vendors, managing guest lists, and ensuring smooth communication can be daunting tasks. To illustrate this, let me share a fake scenario or a common thing that happens in the event industry that highlights the impact of these challenges on event planning and execution. Let's start with the scenario. Imagine a corporate conference where last-minute changes to the agenda cause confusion among attendees, which, for those that have been in the event industry, know this happens a lot. Guest or planning your client will come to you with last-minute changes. It just happens. That's how it is. Speakers are left waiting, guests are redirected to the wrong rooms, and sponsors' exceptions are not met, So what does this result in? Frustration, disorganization, and tarnished reputation for the event organization. At Koordinate, we don't want that. So I gave you a real life scenario, but here are some real life testimonials that we have had in our test run with Koordinate for my view event planner. So our first one would be from Sarah Johnson, an event planner at 23 events. Managing our annual gala used to be a logistical nightmare until we discovered Koordinate. Now everything from guest list to seating arrangements is a breeze. And another one from Michelle Smith, the owner of Everlasting Events. With Koordinate, I can finally say goodbye to endless email chains and missed deadlines. It's like having a personal assistant for every event. And we're happy to hear that. But yes, this is something that we want in our organization, and we hope that you see that going forward in our presentation. Okay, so I'm telling you now, here is the solution to these problems. Introducing Koordinate. Let's delve into how Koordinate transforms the event management industry and how your event can be great too. This is where Koordinate comes in. Our platform offers a comprehensive solution to address these challenges, with features like centralized event management dashboard, a seamless vendor communication, intuitive budgeting, and customizable templates. Koordinate streamlines every aspect of event planning. Here you can see a few of the things I have lifted off just recently. Taking a look at this shows you how we can help you. It gives you a great description. Here you can see a visual representation of our platform. It's showcasing its functionality and ease of use. So as of right now, we are working on our website, but here is one of our templates that we used. This is just for our platform, but we have used lots of tools to come together and make something along the lines. If you can look at that on the left, that image there, this is some of our events that we have planned and post. So this is just a brief portfolio for you to show what we have done. So we do corporate event meetings, conferences, music festivals, weddings, along those lines. That is what we are mainly here to do. Every event, anything, anytime. Now let's dive deeper into Koordinate's features and functionalities. Our platform provides an event planning dashboard with a drag and drop interference, vendor management tools, budgeting and expense tracking, guest list management, robust analytics, and reporting. As you take a look at a few things here, we're going to move on to that next slide. I just listed off a few of that. We'll continue on the next slide. Go ahead here. As I mentioned in the previous slide, this is just an add-on to what Koordinate does. I'll walk you through some of our case scenarios or case studies to demonstrate how Koordinate streamlines event planning processes and enhancing organizer productivity. Our main analytic reporting down here is we gain valuable insights into our event performances with Koordinate and enhance analytical and reporting features. Track attendance metrics, measure guest engagement, and uncover actionable data to refine and improve our every event strategy. With Koordinate, data-driven decision-making becomes effortless and effective. So why now? The timing for Koordinate couldn't be more perfect. Recent market trends and industry dynamics have created a pressing need for innovative event management solutions. With advances in technology and changing in regulations, there are clearer opportunities for Koordinate to make a significant impact in our market. Our competitive landscape overviews revels the gaps and opportunities we're poised to capitalize on. Again, why now? We're seizing this opportunity. As pioneers in the event management space, Koordinate has the opportunity to establish itself as the go-to solution for event organizers, seeking efficiency, effectiveness, and attendee satisfaction. That is all we are about at Koordinate, is we want that guest satisfaction. We want you to come back and to see that we have the potential to be in this industry. We are running along the lines of those top organizations right now, but we want to show you that we are here to play, we are here to get it done and show you that we can do a great event for you. By leveraging current market trends and technological advances and competition insight, Koordinate can capitalize on the growing demand of seamless event management solutions and carve out a niche in the industry. Speaking of opportunities, let's take a look at the market size and growth projections for the event management industry. Koordinate targets market segments and customer demographics align perfect with these projections. Market research findings and industry reports further support Koordinate's market potential and growth perspectives. All right, let's take a look at these growth opportunities. The event management market presents vast opportunities for growth and innovation, and Koordinate is poised to capitalize on these opportunities. By providing a comprehensive solution tailored to the needs of event organizers and leveraging market research insights to inform its strategies, Koordinate aims to drive sustainable growth and establish itself as a trusted partner for event planning professionals worldwide. Our go-to market strategy involves customer acquisition challenges like digital marketing, partnerships, and referrals. We generate revenue through those subscription plans, premium features, and add-on services. Our financial projection demonstrates Koordinate's revenue generation and profit margins over the time. So again, just take a look at these, and then we'll move on to the next slide here. Now let's talk about our business model. Koordinate's financial forecast includes projections for revenue, expenses, net income, and cash flow over a specified period, 3 to 5 years or so. I would guess it on. The forecast takes into account factors such as market dynamics, competitive landscape, and micro trends to provide a realistic outlook for the company's financial performance. Additionally, Koordinate prepares sensitivity analysis and scenario planning to assessing the impact of various internal and external factors in the financial outlook. The proactive approach helps Koordinate migrate risk, capitalizes on opportunities, and navigate unnecessities in the market efficiently. Let's take a look at this competition. So Koordinate operates in a competitive market. As you know, the event management system industry is super competitive, like Eventbrite, along those kind of lines. Those are some major competitors we're going to be looking at. Koordinate operates in a competitive market with several established players offering event management software solutions. These Competitor companies have a significant presence in the market and offer a range of product and service targeting event planners across various industries. So let's take a look at some of these comparative analysis of Koordinate strengths and competitive advantages here down here. One question you might ask is what sets Koordinate apart from the other event management platforms in the market? We distinguish ourselves through our comprehensive features, customization options, user-friendly interference, mobile accessibility, exponential customer support, and continuous innovation. Strategies for effective competing against established players are also part of our plan, as you can see down below. Moving on to a more personal note here, our success wouldn't be possible without our talented team. Allow me to introduce our key team members and highlight their roles, responsibilities, qualifications, and expertise, and along with contributions to Koordinate success. Our team's collective passion drives our vision forward. My name again is Caitlin Schultz. I am the CEO of Koordinate. I bring over a decade of experience in entrepreneurship and strategic planning. I have a track record of driving business growth and fostering innovation in dynamic industries. I'm a visionary leader and a passion for innovation and instrumental in shaping Koordinate's strategic direction and driving its success. Alongside of me is my COO, Gail Schultz. Gail brings a wealth in operational management experience to Koordinate, having successfully led teams in fast-paced environments. She has a background in hospitality management and customer service. Gail is dedicated to ensuring operational excellence and delivering exceptional expertise for Koordinate customers. And just brief on my CMO and CFO, Jade and Jocelyn. Their background is also very impressive, I would say. Jocelyn brings visual marketing content. She has a great background with that and creative and data-driven approach to Koordinate's marketing efforts. And Jade has a background in accounting and finance, possesses a strong understanding of financial principles, and her strategic financial plan and management expertise ensure Koordinate's fiscal health and supports its growth objective. Let's talk some numbers. Here we represent our sales, break-even, and profit projections for Koordinate. I'll explain our financial assumptions and worst-case scenario projections on the next slide to give you a more clear understanding of our financial. But let's start here with our sales projections. This outlines the anticipated revenue generation over a specific period, typically represented on an annual basis. These predictions are based on factors such as market demand, pricing strategy, and growth potential. So let's talk about our possible sources for financing. To fund the startup costs, Koordinate may explore the following sources of initial financing: personal investment, angel investors, venture capital, and bank loans. And then some of our income projections would be year one, a revenue of $300,000. Expenses would be $600,000 and net cash flow $300,000. Going into year two revenue, we're hoping for $900,000, expenses $700,000, net cash flow $200,000. I'm not going to go into year three, but assumptions would be revenue growth is projected based on acquiring new customers, expanding the user base. Expenses include ongoing costs related to software development, marketing, operations, and administrative overhead. Initial losses in the year are expected due to startup costs and initial investments in growth. Profitability is forecast to improve in subsequent years as revenue increases and operating efficiencies are realized. Before getting into the worst case scenario, I'm going to just run over our financial strategy, initially focusing on product development and marketing efforts to establish a strong presence in the market. Monitor expenses closely and adjust spending as needed to maintain that financial stability. Cautiously evaluate revenue stream and explore opportunities for growth and diversification. Consider seeking additional financing or investment rounds to support expansion and scale operation as the business grows. By adhering to this financial plan, Koordinate aims to achieve sustainable growth and profitability over the 3-year forecast period, positioning the company for long-term success in the event management industry. Looking at our worst case scenario down here, let's jump into our explanation, which is in addition to presenting the most likely financial projections, Koordinate may also prepare worst case scenario projections to account the potential risk and unnecessary. These projections outline the financial impact of adverse events or unfavorable market conditions on the business. So what's the ask? Well, Koordinate is seeking for $550,000 for startup costs. I'll explain how the resource will be utilized and what's offered in return, but we believe by investing in Koordinate, you'll have the opportunity to be part of an exciting journey and recap of our reward and successes. So Koordinate startup costs will primarily include expenses related to software development, marketing, hiring, and administrative setup. And then I'm going to give you just kind of a small breakdown. Our software developer estimating over around $200,000, marketing and promotions $100,000, hiring and salaries will be $150,000, office setup and equipment $50,000, legal administration expensive $20,000, and then a $3,000 contingency. So that is why we are rounding up to $550,000. So a return on investment would be Koordinate would outline the potential returns and benefits for investors or partners who provide sources or support. This may include opportunities for revenue generation, market share expansion, provide visibility, strategic alliances, and long-term value creation. The transparency Koordinates will maintain transparency and clarity in its ask in the deal, ensuring that investors or partners understanding that they will intend of resource and the expected outcome for benefits in the return. As we come to the end of our presentation, we want to express our sincere gratitude for your time, attention, and interest in Koordinate. We shared our vision, our passion, and our commitment to revolutionize the event management industry. Now we invite you to join us on the journey. Whether you are an investor looking for an exciting opportunity, a partner seeking collaboration, or a stakeholder interested in learning more, we are here to engage with you, answer your questions, and explore how we can work together to achieve mutual success. Thank you once again for your time and consideration. We look forward to connecting with each of you and embarking on this exciting adventure together. I invite you to engage with us further for discussion or inquiries. Please feel free to reach out to us via contact information provided on the slide below, which is my direct, and I will send you to the direct departments that we have for the inquiries. But thank you once again for your time and attention. Have a great rest of your day.